Hi guys, Peter Webster back again. Yes, we have another unboxing from the Spider Shop. This is a 2-in-1 unboxing. There's 2 orders in there, plus a couple of instruments I use. Before we start, I thought I'd show you my amazing Panther Ultima. She's a big girl, quite defensive. Is on the move now. I can't show you the centipede because unfortunately both the centipede and the diamantinensis have gone underground. So that's that out of the way. Next we'll get Psycho Stanley on the job and get into this huge parcel here. Right, oh bloody hell. Here we go. Packing peanut conveyor belt. Oh my lord. Right. I can see stuff. Right, let's just drag this big parcel here. Right, pop that there. There's 5 Exoterra medium flat phonariums, which I absolutely love to use. Right, some lids. Stay shut. Put that up there. I don't know if there's anything else in here, but I'm not chucking it away just yet. Oh, there's one thing I ordered, which is a pair of 12-inch angled tongs. They're becoming very useful. I ordered them because I lost my others, but as soon as I ordered them, we found them. Whew. Bloody arms aching. Oh. Here we have a pack of 10 heat packs. So I have a few spiders I've promised people, but I didn't want to send them until I got these, so they'll be getting their gift soon. I would say that's it. So let's get into this tub here. Oh bloody hell. Oh, right. Okay. Got that tub up there. Bring this over here just a minute to get rid of some of these packing peanuts out of here. I can make a fair few models out of these. I've got enough to feed the country. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hang on, there's more. There's 1, 7, 8, 9. Good. We're out of space. 10, 11. I don't remember ordering this much. 12, 13, 14. Bloody hell. 15. 16. There's more, guys. 17. Shit. I didn't remember ordering this as much as this, but let's have a look, see if there's anything else. I hope not, because I'm going to struggle now. Oh, 18. Thank God for that, it's an even number. Right. Okay, that can go on the floor floor. Right. Oh, my lord. Where do we start? Okay, we'll start with the easy one, the one I know. As you all know what that is, that's the Diamond Diademus, medius, sorry, the tailless whip scorpion. I've been wanting one of these forever and I'll never get around to getting one, but in this tub here we have a olive millipede. Oh, this guy's cold. There's that guy. I'm not sure. Put him on the floor somewhere. Right, and now this one. This is the African rock scorpion, the H. troglodytes. And there's that gorgeous little guy there. I had one of these, but I gifted it to a good friend, and so when I seen her unboxing the other day, I thought I've got to have one back in the collection. So there we go. I don't like these lids; they don't go on right. That's that one. Now this is an glabifrons. Now bear with me, guys. I've got to look and see what the hell I've got here, because I don't know. Bear with me. Let me just have a look on the site. I'll be with you shortly, guys, sorry. Alright, let's just log in. Alright, let's have a look what we've ordered. That's not that one. Not that one. Should be this one. Right, it's an opisthothalamus glabifrons. I believe this is a scorpion. Not sure whether this is the remaining scorpion or whatever it is, I'm not 100% sure. But let's have a look. Oh yeah, I know now. There's another nice scorpion, the glabifrons. I don't know the common names to these guys. I seem to be edging more towards the scientific names of everything, because there's that many variations. Right, this one is a P. viatoris. You can't really see a lot of this guy, so I'll show that in another video when I've rehoused everything. Right, onto the little pots now. We have an L. Australasial. Let's get some tweezers on the job and have a look, see what's in this guy. This is only a little guy by the looks of it. But it's down there, right in the bottom of the tissue. I will try and get photos of everything and put them at the end of the video, I think. Right. Oh, I know what this guy is. What's it called? Oh God. Oh yeah, this is the Formingocylus Sabar Blue. This is a sling. Right, I'll show you just down the bottom there, just chilling out. That's the Sabar Blue. The Formingoculus Sabar. Ah, that was in, or this one. So this must be a freebie. Yeah, it says freebie on the lid. Does what it says it does on the tin. Sounds like a Ron Seal advert. I'll be done for copyright infringement with this. Yeah, you can't really see this one, guys. But this is a C Versi, the Carabiner versicolor, the Martinique Pinto. I have a gorgeous specimen of one of those. Another P species blue, which is the Pseudapalopus species blue. Bloody hell, this is a tiny little bugger. You probably won't even see that down there, guys. I'll try and get a view of it. No, it's very hard to see. But like I say, I'll take some photos of everything when I rehouse them. And I'll either add them to the end of the video or pop another video up of rehousing. Another freebie here. Which is the, oh my god, a 6 centimetre A-gen, the Acanthoscodia geniculata. So that's another freebie there. Next one, oh, another freebie. We have a 5 centimetre Brachypelma albopilosum, which is on the tables collapsing, which is on during all the Nicaraguan curly hair. That's another freebie, awesome. That one will be staying in my collection. It's a curly bob. A bigger one. Right, here we have a Formingoculus species rufus. I've got a few Formingoculus species, but I'm trying to get as many as I can. As you all know by now, I should be having the new animal house erected on the 15th of January, called Pete's Invertarium. And there's the species rufus down the bottom, just chilling out. Oh dear. Well guys, it's got to be the biggest unboxing I've ever done. Right. No idea what this one is. This is an S. Messinensis. S. Messinensis. Sounds like scorpion, but I don't know. Yes, it is. It's another little scorpion. You should see him down the bottom there. Little goldy coloured one. Okay. Pop this little guy away. Right, the next one we have is a, oh no, this is an Orthinotinus oreotibialis. I'm not going to open this one because it's right at the top of the lid there. You can just see her arse sticking up. That's the oreotibialis, Ornithoctonus species. Now this one, this is a freebie, and Sam wrote me an email yesterday. I'll tell you what guys, I'll read the email out to you because I found it quite amusing. Come on computer, thank you. Right, where am you? Ah, here we go. Right, he says, Sam, this is off. Hi Peter, so your freebie is a bloody mystery buddy. It's definitely something expensive and rare. However, we don't know what it is. Could be an Avicularia Hershey or an Avicularia Suritama. We're just not sure. Hope you enjoy. So either way, they believe it's an avic species. An avic genus, should I say. And whatever it is, it's quite a nice size. I'll just show you down the end there. Oh, that's another little guide to the collection. Doing well so far, guys. Right, next one. Another S. messinensis, another scorpion. Right, had a bit of an interruption there, guys. Bloody advert stopped the recording. Bear with me, I'm just going to have a quick toot on the old e-cig. Right, as I said just before I got interrupted, now we're smoking, well, steaming the joint out. We have another S. messinensis scorpion down there. That's the freebie, obviously, because I only ordered one of every species. I'm proud to say that apart from my communals, I have every different species. I don't have two of anything. Right, this is the S. crucipes, a 6 cm Australian whistling spider. This guy is a replacement because the one that I ordered and had last time, unfortunately, didn't make it. So there's that guy there. They happily replaced it for me, not a problem. So I'm glad that one's arrived. And finally, guys, an S. carpaticus, which is, I know for a fact is a scorpion. Good thing about scorpions is they'll run out. Right, I'll show you him down there. Okay, guys. That's it, number 18 of 18, no incidents yet, that comes when I rehouse. So, that was exhausting, that was the biggest unboxing I've ever done since being on YouTube. And I'm very happy with what I got sent to my freebies, very happy indeed. So, for now guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Share my videos if you think other people would like it. I'm still waiting to get to the 500 subscriber mark, where I should be giving away £200 in 3 prizes. And it'll be cash sent direct to your PayPal account or to your bank, whichever way you want it, the winners. We're just over 360 or something now. So please pass the word, guys, and leave me a comment. Would you like to see me unbox next? Because I haven't done unboxing yet. I have one order coming tomorrow, which I'm quite excited about, and I'm still waiting on my breeding pair of Ceratosaurus marshallis. The female still hasn't molted, but she's really dark, so Scott, who I'm buying her off, said that it won't be long now. So as soon as they come, I shall show you what they look like. So as always, guys, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I know they're not the best, but I do my best to try and have fun. So guys, This is me, Peter Webster, saying bye to you all. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.